Hi, Danny here with another Tech Fix video. In this video I want to look at different tools which you can use to record your lessons to share with your students online. So I've seen lots of teachers asking on social media sites for tools that they can use to record their lessons, some with screen sharing with their video in there as well. So I've got 7 different tools which you can use. Some are free, some are sort of freemium tools which are possible to use to share. So the first one is Zoom. I've been using Zoom a lot as my main platform for delivering lectures and webinars and lessons. And even if you're a school that's using a different platform, whether you're using Google Meet, whether you're using Teams, you could still use Zoom as a screen recording tool. You basically just set up a meeting with yourself. So log into Zoom, click host a meeting, then click on with video on. You can then use recording tools to record you talking via your webcam. You can do a screen share, which will put your screen, record that as well with the video of you in the corner. You can pause and restart recording as you want, and then when you're finished you can save that locally to your hard drive, and then that can be uploaded to YouTube or Vimeo or Google Drive or whatever. Doesn't matter if you've got the free accounts, you can still record up to 40 minutes, and even then you can stop it and start again. So another tool is Loom. Loom is a free piece of screen recording software that you run from your browser. Basically it's got a Chrome extension, so if you're running Google Chrome, there's an extension in Google Chrome. You can also download a standalone app as well. When you start Loom, you can choose to record your face or one single tab of your browser, or you can record the whole screen. The screen's recorded with your webcam video of yourself in the corner. There's various pricing options for Loom. They're doing a free version for teachers, but you need to verify your account, and there's details on the Loom website. The videos that you create can be stored on the Loom website itself, or you can download them and stick them on a platform of your choice, such as YouTube or so on. Another tool similar to Loom is Screencastify. Screencastify records your screen via a Zoom plugin. There's a free version with a 5-minute video limit, or there's an unlimited paid version for $29 a year with an educational discount built into that. You can easily share to Google Classroom, you can share to other sites as well. Also, don't forget about PowerPoint. If you're a PowerPoint user already, PowerPoint has a cool feature built in which lets you record your voice with video and add it to slides, which you can then export as a video file, or you can leave it as a PowerPoint file with the audio narration built into the PowerPoint file itself. If you're in PowerPoint, just click on Slideshow and then click on Record Slideshow. This will open up the screen record tools. All you've got to do then is hit record, start talking, move through your slides as normal, narrate as you go along. When you're done, the video narration is attached to the presentation. You'll see it on each of the slides. So you could save the presentation and share that with students, or you could click on File, Export and Create Video, and that'll let you create a video file of that presentation. The video you produce can then go onto YouTube or Google or whatever. Screencast-O-Matic is another one. This is a free screen recorder tool for desktops. There's also mobile versions as well. You can capture any area of your screen for quick recordings. You can add audio narration, video from a webcam if you want to. If you want extra features like video editing and so on, then that comes with an extra subscription. But do check out Screencast-O-Matic for more details. If you've got a Windows 10 computer, then Windows will actually do some screen recording for you as well. There's a screen recorder tool built into Windows. You just need to hit the Windows key and G. So you could open up PowerPoint and record it using the Windows key. So Windows and G will open up the game bar and you can play with that. And then the final thing as well is just use your phone. If you want to just do a very simple thing where you are just recording yourself talking and recording pieces of video, then just set your phone up. You could buy a little cheap tripod, or just prop your phone up, use the camera tool on your phone, hit record and just talk. It's quite useful if you wanted to do a lesson where you involved a whiteboard behind you, a real whiteboard rather than a virtual whiteboard. You could just have the whiteboard and stand up and write on the board and record it with a camera. There's no reason why you have to be very high tech. The basic camera apps will let you do this. There are other apps on your phone you can get and use, things like Adobe Premiere Rush, which does need a subscription, but you can do some minimal stuff for free. iMovie if you've got an iPhone or an iPad. There's lots of video editing apps for your phone if you want to get into that, or transport the video file to your computer and edit it on there as well. So that's 7 tools which you can use to create lessons on your computer, upload to your video platform of choice, and then share that with your students. Hope you found that useful. Do please check out the blog. Also check out my YouTube channel for other videos in a similar vein. If you want more hints and tips and more detail on some of these apps, then please get in touch and I'll put them on another video in the future as well. Thanks for listening. Take care. Bye.